Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you and help troubleshoot with you a MetaQuest 3 that won't turn on with the screen remaining dark despite attempts to power it up. And there's just going to be a few summarized solutions for you in this video. So the first option that we're going to try is the force shutdown and restart. So method one, you want to locate the power button, which is a little circle button over here. And then you're going to hold this down for 30 seconds. Now you're going to ignore any sounds or display changes, and then you're going to release it, and then you're going to wait for 5 minutes before trying to turn the device on again, okay? By pressing the same button for 10 to 20 seconds until the Meta logo no longer appears. Now that usually works for a lot of people. Now if that doesn't, method number two is you're going to press and hold both the power button and the volume down button, which is the closest to this side of the device. So up and then down. So you're going to do exactly the same process. Press and hold both of those down for 30 seconds. Again, wait 5 minutes, and then you can attempt to turn on the device again. Now, if that doesn't work, you can ensure that you're not using any third-party headset. So yes, this is a Bobo VR headset, but sometimes people are using silicon headsets, and what it can do is it can obstruct the little visual icon here, which basically says to someone that you're actually wearing the headset. So if you have anything that's obstructing here, make sure you take off any third-party applications, foam guards, silicon guards, etc., and then try it again, because sometimes that can do it. Also in the nose as well. So anything that didn't originally come with your headset, get it off and then try and restart the headset. So it may actually be on, but just not registering that you're actually wearing the headset. And then lastly, the battery issues. So if the device still isn't turning on, and the battery might be completely drained and not charging. So what you want to do is use the original charger that came with the headset. So that's an 18 volt, I believe, off the top of my head. And what you're going to do is charge that for at least 5 hours, ideally overnight if you can, or for a full 12 hours. So you can try different types of USB Type-C cables, also suggesting in case lies with the cable, like if the cable's busted, that's another option that you can try as well. Otherwise, if you've tried all of those, the force shutdown, the two different force shutdown methods, you've taken off any third-party applications that you put on top of this, and you've tried different chargers as well. If none of that works, then it might be worth contacting Meta, or you may actually have a broken screen. So the actual screen itself might be damaged for some reason. You may have dropped the device, etc. Otherwise, the actual battery itself may be faulty, and you may need to have a new headset or replace a battery. But this usually works well for most people if the internals are working well, and you just need to reset the device. Anyway, if you have tried any of these and it works, please let us know in the comments below. If you know of any other devices or any other ways that you can reset the headset as well without it having to get repaired, leave those in the comments as well. And that is all. See you in the next video.